Okay, count them again for me.
1, 2, 3.
Count to 10 for me.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! I did it!
Good job.
Up on the wrong one. 2, 1, 2, 3.
Yay! Good job, Ellie. Give me 5.
1,
Give me 5, Ellie. Give me 5. No? You gonna leave me hanging? You gonna give me 5? Yay!
hooray!
Good job.
Mama, I gotta do something.
You in the clubhouse?
Yeah.
Yeah. You wanna come out here? We're about to eat dinner.
No.
No? Okay. Say bye.